What happens to gold? During a market crash, imagine the stock market is crashing. Again, stocks are tanking, your portfolio is shrinking, and everyone's panicking. But there's one asset that tends to shine during a market meltdown: gold. Historically, when markets crash, gold holds its value or even increases. That's because investors flock to safe, reliable assets in times of crisis. If you don't want to watch your retirement savings disappear in the next crash, a gold IRA might be your answer. It lets you diversify and protect your wealth with an asset that thrives during uncertainty. Get started today by visiting the link below the video or goldforthefuture.com. Get your free gold guide now from one of our top recommended companies, Birch Gold Group, by clicking the link below the video or by going to goldforthefuture.com now. Why Birch Gold? With a long history and a top reputation in the industry of helping people diversify into precious metals, Birch Gold Group is one of our top picks, offering a low $10,000 minimum investment, secure storage, and excellent customer service. Get more information right away and get started on your precious metals investment journey.